we're at a point now where we need to start doing a little something with them. We need to start working with them, talking to them, showing them a little love, showing them a little care. So come along today on the farm vlog and we'll show you what we're going to do after about 7 days with our little plants. We're going to thin them out so that we can ensure the success of the healthy plants and take out the ones that aren't going to be so healthy. So come on, let's have some fun. Stony Ridge, from Stony Ridge, Stony Ridge Farm. So first things first, guys, you're going to need a couple tools. Now, you don't have to go crazy and there's a bug on my lens of my sunglasses. Do you see him? What kind of bug is that? Quite distracting. Back to the vlog. First thing you need to do, guys, is have some of the essential tools here. And basically you can just go to the dollar store or whatever little store you want to go to, Walmart, whatever.